Alright, well sharp, you know say equinoxion cause this, right? Today we're gonna dash the smooth, grooving, equal flow step, right? So it's like this. It's the right, left, then you look, and the shoulders and the body just flow, then you stop, then you flow again, flow, stop, then you just rotate, stop. You start to right, left, look, flow, stop, flow, stop, rub. Alright, so now the team, we just dash it down, we can sweat it, look.
Everything you need, I will get a lamb, and the time is in the